What happened?
My laserjet printer is not connecting to computer.
I think you just call the expert. Dial 1-833-321-1006 now.
Okay, sir, I am dialing now.
Thanks for connecting with us. Follow the steps now. Raise the scanner cover, remove the foam and unlock the 123hp.com/laserjet printer scanner. Remove the color cartridge from its packaging. Presently open the cartridge door and install the cartridge. Then, open plate 2 and remove the cardboard and adjust the paper pattern widths. Fill the printing sheets and close the plate 2. Connect the network cable to the device, plug in the power cable, and turn on your HP printer. Presently follow the on-screen printer's control panel guidance. Fix the language, date, time, and fax settings. Fix the media size and type for the input plates.
Thank you, it's working fine now.